सब्सक्राइब कीजिए स्टडी विद सर अमन चैनल को और नए वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए।
Good morning all of you. Exercise 14b, some of you are having problem in this. Question number 6, problem number 11. Okay, first you check, two lines are there, two parallel lines are there, but there are two transversal lines, but the transversal lines are not straight. So what we will do, we cannot solve directly by this. For this, first we will make a line. Check what I have written. Construction we have to do. First we will write construction. Construct a line M between L and N. I have written the name L and N. Okay, such that L is parallel to M and M is parallel to N. Okay, now for L and M, check first two lines where 160 is there and X is there. Check first two line. Okay, 160 and X. What is the relation? They are co-interior angle. 160 plus X1 is equal to 180. In the bracket I have written co-interior angle. Therefore X1 is equal to 20. Now check last two lines M and N. 130 and X2. What is the relation? Both are co-interior angles. So 130 plus X2 equal to 180, co-interior angle. X2 equal to 180 minus 130. Therefore X2 equal to 50 degree. Now what do we need? We need X total angle. So we will add X1 and X2. X will come. So 20 plus 50 is equal to 70. Clear? Now check total X and Y. Now you see. Now check figure and you see in the figure we need two angles, X and Y. X answer is already coming. Now Y. If you plus X and Y in the figure, you check. If you plus X and Y, what will come? 360. Why 360? Because they make complete angle. And the value of X is given 70. So 70 plus angle Y is equal to 360. Therefore angle Y is equal to 360 minus 70. Therefore angle Y is equal to 290 degree. I know some of you are having problem in this. Once more you see the solution and listen the video carefully. Okay. By using the properties of parallel lines, we have to solve. One thing is new, that we have to construct a line so that all the three lines are parallel and we will get the transversal. Clear? Check next. Question number 12. Same pattern, same figure is there. Okay, two transversal and one pair of parallel lines. 50 degree, 40 degree, A and B. What do you need in this? You need measurement of angle A and measurement of angle B. Is there any relation between 50 degree and A? No, there is no direct any relation between 50 degree and A or 50 degree and B. For that what we will do? Same. Construction. Check first line. Construction. Draw a line M. Check where is M. M is in the middle. Draw a line M parallel to L and parallel to N. Means one more straight line we will draw here such that all the three lines are parallel to one another. Okay. So 50 degree and angle B. Check L and M. First two line. Check nicely. 50 degree and angle B1. Both are interior alternate angle. So we can write B1 is equal to 50. Now check line M and N. Last two line M and N. Both are parallel. So 40 degree and B2. They are also interior alternate angle. So if you will plus B1 and B2, 50 plus 40, angle B is 90 degree. Angle B. Check in the figure in the book. Total angle B is 90. And now same to same, angle B plus angle A is equal to 360. Why? Because they make complete angle or angles around a point. So angle A plus 90 equal to 360. Therefore angle A is equal to 270 degree. Okay. clear? These two were new question I have done for you. If you have not understood, watch the video again, and wherever you have doubt, listen it carefully. What is the relation we have done by the property of parallel lines? Revise and do properly. Whenever you make figure, use scale in the copy. Understand all of you? God bless you. Thank you. Have a good day.